Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 3, Charleston, Brown Ball.
That's us. We had a lot of stuff with airplanes today. We started with this one. Tech turn. Rock step, kick step, hey. Rock step, kick step. We're together, facing our part. Boom, boom, hey. Left hand, hop. Let's show that exit. This way. Let's just start with the.
Oh wait.
That way, yeah. Kick, hop, hey, hop, hey, hop, kick step. Boom.
You gotta
going
continue.
that way.
Yeah.
Or into the rock step.
And we did the opposites.
Yeah, we started with that send out one.
Yeah.
A rock step, kick step, swing. Rock step, kick, double, kick, boom, hey, boom, hey, kick, and hey. Rock step, kick, hand to hand.
And then we did 1 out of tandem.
Rock step, kick, down, kick, right hand, hey, straight rock step, whoop, hey. The exit's the same, and that's what we did. See you next week.